Hi, my name is Moaz Sultan, and I am supposed to give the presentation on JIRA. It is a tool, and I am going to I will give summary of JIRA in the short words. JIRA is created by a Australian software company in 2002, and it is actually the tool to track tasks, manage projects, and organize work. It is actually a digital to-do list, but much more powerful. Initially, it was designed to track bugs and development, but now it is used in all kinds of project management across different industries. Uh, Now you can see that it is also contain reporting and visualization tools to help us keep track of our projects. And I am going to talk about the steps of Jira. First of all, we create tasks and assign them to the team members, and we track progress using the boards and charts. We set deadlines and priorities, and then we collaborate by adding comments and attachments. Now we will talk about the use cases of Jira. First of all, as we know that Jira is a powerful project management tool, primarily used for tracking tasks, managing workflows, and collaborating on software development. First of all, we'll talk about software development and agile project management. Uh, Agile project management, you know that it's it's a word that come from the agile software. Agile software. We know that agile software is a way of creating software step by step, making small improvements instead of planning everything at once. Delivering at a final product at end. Agile team works in short cycles to build, test, and improve the software continuously. We know that the use of Jira, it enables sprint planning, backlog grooming, and task tracking. And backlog grooming, you know that backlog, it is something that is left behind while doing something. These are the tasks that are left behind while doing something in sprint. That lasts about 1 to 4 weeks. Secondly, issue tracking. It helps to track problems, tracking progress, customizable. It is so simple. And software development, and it is used for software development, tracking bugs and enabling the collaboration between. You know that initially it was created for tracking bugs and to do some development work. And furthermore, I will tell you about it is used in IT service management and business project management and compliance and risk management. There are many uses of these. And main three the use cases are here written. Furthermore, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of Jira, of using the Jira. Pros, you know that it is highly flexible and customizable. Uh, and It works for both small scale and large scale projects and groups, and it allows collaboration between team members. And these are the pros and the cons, and we will talk about cons. It has a learning curve, which can it has a learning curve which can intimidate beginners. like uh, uh, Now we will talk about that, how the learning curve, what is learning curve. uh, it has a learning curve which can intimidate beginners. What is learning curve actually? It is the We are talking about that difficulty while for a beginner that starts Jira. Uh, the beginner who uses the Jira, he faces many difficulties while using it. A learning curve shows that it is hard to learn at first, but it gets easier with practice. Moreover, it can become slow with high skill tasks, and it can be costly for large enterprises and also need extra money for plugins. Now we will talk about plugins. What are plugins? Jira plugins are extensions that enhance Jira's functionality. These plugins can add new features, automate tasks, and integrate with third-party tools and improve reporting, workflow and management, or UI customization. Plugins are actually they add the addition of the extra features with the tool Jira. It is called as plugins. Furthermore, there is a demo, and my fellow Mubashir, he will give us a demo. And thank you. That's all from myself.
Assalamualaikum. This is Muhammad Mubashir, and I will be continuing the presentation. JIRA, my fellow Moaz Sultan gave the presentation part, and I will be showing the demo part. So here is a video I've already created of the demo. I'm going to be explaining each and every single step as we move along. So as you can see, I've already created an account. So I'm not going to be creating another one. I'm just going to dive right into it by clicking on go to JIRA, as you see. So as you can see, this is my work section where I can see uh, all the products, like the recent ones, the ones we worked on, viewed, assigned to me, etc. And by clicking on this, we can expand the sidebar to see these options over here as well. We can access them from here too. And here we can see work done viewed assigned to me. Start and words. If we click on recent, we'll obviously get the products projects that we are currently working on, like so. The start ones, we can view the products that we've marked as favorite, like this one, for example. We can also go into the view all products section by clicking on products, this, and then going to view all the products. So as you can see here, it is this here it is showing us all of the products that we are working on, that we have completed. All of them we can, as you just saw, we can click these buttons to access additional settings for the product, like we can access the settings that we can delete the product, we can also archive it. Like if I click on one here, we can see all of the details, like the summary, timeline, board, etc. on the project. If we want to create a project, we have to click on this button. So if I click it, as you can see, it's going to show me a list of all the templates we can use to create a project. I'll select software development. And then I'll select Scrum from here, close this, and click on use template. Then it is going to ask us if we want a team manager or a company managed product. I'm going to click on team manage, and it's going to ask us for the details, so I'm going to fill in those as well. The name we can give whatever we want, the key it will assign automatically. I'll choose the access level to be private as nobody else needs other than me to access the project. Like so. And click on create project. So as you can see, a new project has just been created called Team B. Here we can see all of the details like the summary, timeline, and backlog, whatever is missing, and like there is a Scrum and Word and all of it, all the other things. So here we can see sections to do and progress done. To do are the ones that we currently have to do, and progress are the ones that we are currently working on. The done section obviously contains the one that we finished working on. So I can also create another one and type in ABC as its name and then save it. I can also delete it or move them to the left or set command by clicking those buttons. Those three dots. So that's it. That's a basic summary of JIRA of how to use JIRA. That's a basic demo, very basic, nothing too complicated. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.